Today we will be demonstrating how to register for online and mobile banking. If this is your first time using Gain's online banking, or if you haven't used it since July 2024, then this tutorial is for you. If you have used our previous online and mobile banking since then, click on the YouTube card above for a separate tutorial. To begin registration, click on the green box and proceed to click on Individual Registration. Carefully read the Electronic Funds Transfer and Mobile Deposit Services Disclosures and Agreements, check the box, and click on I agree to continue. On this page, please select your role on the account, whether you are primary or joint. You will start by entering in your Social Security number, followed by your member number, the zip code for the account, your home phone number, and your date of birth, as well as your email address we have on file for you. Please go ahead and confirm the email address and proceed to creating a username and password for the online profile. When you scroll down, you will then have to select security questions and answer them. Click on Continue to proceed. You will then be brought to the enrollment page. You will need to answer the following questions. If you would like to receive account statements via electronic format or by mail, you can choose your selection, enter it here, and you will proceed to select your account nicknames. And if you wish to have bill pay access for the account listed here, you can click Bill Pay and you can proceed with clicking on Continue. On the following page, you will be presented with our Electronic Funds Transfer and Mobile Deposit Services Disclosures and Agreements. Please take a moment to review carefully, and when ready, click on I agree to continue. And you will then be brought to the page to confirm your enrollment. You can go ahead and click on this link to proceed to online banking. At this time, you will be prompted to have the security code emailed to you. Click on Send Security Code. You will receive a security code via email. Please do not enter the dash, only the numbers. Click on Submit to proceed. In order to add your location, please click the X in the box and you can start typing where you are located and select the time zone. Once you see your overview page, you have successfully registered for online banking. Welcome to Gain's online banking platform.